Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and this is Dr. Radha Subramaniam. Today I am going to teach you packing efficiency for simple cubic cell, and in the coming videos I will be teaching packing efficiency for BCC, FCC. One by one we will learn, because if you learn everything you will feel confused, and this is from Solid State Chemistry class 12 NCERT chapter 1. Okay, so already I have taught in previous session how to find out the radii in these three cases, and today we learn how to find out the packing efficiency for simple cubic cell. So what is meant by packing efficiency? First of all, now packing efficiency is nothing but it is the number of spheres or volume of sphere occupied in space. So what is packing efficiency? It is the number of spheres or volume of sphere occupied in space. Okay, now for simple cubic cell we will have the formula PE is equal to volume occupied by atoms divided by volume of unit cell into 100. Memorize this formula, only then you will be able to do this quickly. Okay. Now if there are Z atoms, then PE you can write it as Z into volume occupied by atom into 100. So volume of unit cell is always A cube. No, for a cube the volume is A cube. Okay. And for simple cubic cell, as we already learned, there are 8 corner atoms, and each corner atom's contribution, see, each corner atom will share these 8 atoms. Okay. So 1 by 8 will be the contribution of each atom. So 8 into 1 by 8, which is equal to 1. So total number of atoms in the unit cell can be taken as 1. So what is the volume of the atom? Because it is a sphere, volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, and already we learned in the previous session that R for SCC is A by 2. Okay, now we will try to substitute the data over here. So PE is equal to, see, number of atoms is 1, we already found that. So 1 into volume of the atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is R? We got it over here. R is nothing but A by 2. Okay. So 1 into 4 by 3 pi into A by 2 the whole cube divided by this A cube into 100. Okay. So now we will do the calculations. So 1 into 4 by 3 pi is 4 by 3 pi itself, then into A cube divided by 2 cube is 8. So we can take this as 1 by 8 into 100, and the A cube over here and this A cube will get cancelled. Okay. So what is left? 4 by 3 pi into 1 by 8 into 100. Okay. Now 4 goes in 8 2 times. So 3 into 2 6, pi by 6 into 100. So you can do the calculation by using 3.14 or 22 by 7, whatever it is. You get the value as 52.4%. So starting again, once again we will just go through this briefly. So packing efficiency for a simple cubic cell is volume occupied by the atom divided by volume of unit cell into 100. So if there are Z atoms, the formula would be Z into volume occupied by the atom into 100 divided by volume of unit cell is A cube. Okay. Now for a simple cubic cell, already you know that there are 8 corner atoms which is present, and each corner atom's contribution is 8 into 1 by 8, which is 1. Then the total number of atoms in the unit cell is 1 itself, and volume of the atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where already we know the value of R is A by 2. Then we just substituted this in the equation. PE is equal to 1, since Z is equal to 1 into 4 by 3 pi into A by 2 the whole cube into 100 divided by A cube, cancel A cube and A cube, and 4 by 3 pi into 1 by 8 into 100, pi by 6 into 100, which is equal to 52.4%. You know, again how did you find out R? In the previous video I showed you. See, for SCC, edge length is equal to A. So what is A? This is R plus R. So we got A is equal to 2R and R is equal to A by 2. This is how we got R is equal to a by 2 over here. So, you have to remember all these while you are working out the sums, okay. And now what did you get for the answer? It is 52.4%, okay. So, what is 52.4%? It is the total space occupied by sphere, that is 52.4%. Now, if total volume occupied by the sphere is 52.4%, then what will be the empty space? Just subtract 100 minus 52.4. So, what is 100 minus 52.4? It is 47.6%. So, sometimes you will be asked to find out the total space occupied by the sphere. So, in that case you have to write the answer as 52.4%, and if they ask you to find out the empty space, then nothing, just subtract 52.4 from 100, which is equal to 47.6%. So, you can even take the screenshot of this sum, or at least try to work out this sum, so that see, just simply by looking at it when you are watching the video, it is not enough. At that time you think that you have understood the concept really well, but when you try to do it another day, then you won't be able to remember this completely. So, better either you can take a screenshot, or you just take a notebook, write these things out, because just before your examination you can just quickly revise through all these things and refresh the concepts and ideas, so that you can easily do this sum without any difficulty for the exam. So, packing efficiency, it is important. So many sums comes on the basis of this concept, which I will be working out after I have completed the packing efficiency of the other two, that is BCC, FCC and all that, because only if you learn it one by one you will be able to remember this quite well. So, I think your revisions are all going on, and give more concentration for physics and chemistry, because scoring marks for biology is much easier when compared to physics and chemistry. For physics and all, you have to work out lots of sums, mainly you get sums based on the concepts from the lesson. So, only if you are thorough with the concepts, you will be able to work out the sums. Even for chemistry you will be getting sums, that is mainly based on the NCERT only. So, if you just follow the NCERT, which I am doing, maximum chapters I have completed from the 11th and 12th, few more are left, but in between these short tricks are really important, and it will really boost your confidence and help you to perform well for the examination. So, do like, share and subscribe to our channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and the contents are coming absolutely free for you. We are not charging any fees or any amount through the channel. I hope you are all finding learning through Chemistry Made Simple with NEET really interesting, and thanks for watching the video.